This poor neglected car. So just a little update. This is the Vitara boat that I've been working on. I had built the engine from scratch, and basically I ruined it. It was all my fault. I didn't break in the engine as long as I should have. I had this cheapy wastegate that boosted to like 35 pounds of boost like right off the bat. Basically one thing led to another, and it developed a bottom end tick, and I parked it, and it's just been here for quite a while now. But and I don't really have time to work on this thing. With my new schedule at work, I work like 5 and 6 days a week. So what I'm gonna do, I'm on my lunch break right now. I'm gonna see, I need to drop the motor and kind of go through the bearings and check the crankshaft, make sure the journals are still good, and just hopefully just throw new bearings in on the main and rod bearings and clean it up really good. But I'm gonna see what I can get done on my lunch break today. I think I'm gonna start with trying to pull the head, maybe some of the accessories off, but I don't know. Let's see what I can do. I feel like I'm only like 20 minutes into it. Okay. Well, there goes my phone. The grill fell off the car, but I got the head off. I'm just gonna throw this bitch in the trunk. Call it a day, go back to work. 'Cause I am just on my lunch break after all. Fuck. my old turbo that blew up, the 57 trim. Oh my god. Fucking kick my ass, man. Wires are getting hung up. Okay. I should be able just to carry this motherfucker to the trunk. Holy shit, guys. It's fucking hot. I just pulled a head off in 24 minutes in 102 degree heat. Damn, I still got enough time to get something to eat. Alright. Need to catch my breath. Fuck. Okay, so the plan is to do a little bit every day. I'm just going to tear it down to a short block so I can pull it out the way I've put it off. So the plan is to drop it just like I did the first time. I'm going to tear it down to a bare short block, get it as light as possible, and raise the car up, drop the block, and just pull it out from under the car. That's how I did it the first time around. So I'm basically going to pull the motor out, get it on the stand, and go through it again, take it apart, look at the crank and all that shit. But yeah, that's enough for one day. I should be dead in about 5 minutes from a heat stroke. But thanks for watching. If you liked the video, see you in the next one. This Vitara build is going to get a second chance at life, and I can't wait to get it back on the road. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.